Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be looking at another type in linear equations in two variables. In this type, the equations aren't in the general format or in the format of linear equation, but can be reduced to linear equation and solved. Once we bring the equation to the general format, solving them is exactly same as we did in the previous video. So let's look at some examples. First, let us look at the general format of linear equation. So the general formula of any linear equation is ax plus by is equal to c. Here a, b and c are the real numbers and x and y are the variables. Okay, this was the format of any linear equation. Now let's look at a general format or the type of reducible to linear equation. This type exists in the format of 1 upon x plus 1 by y is equal to c, or 1 upon x plus y plus minus 1 upon x minus y is equal to c. Okay, these two are the type of the format. Okay, but here the change can be 1 upon x plus y. This won't be same every time. It can be 1 upon 2x plus y, or here it can be 1 upon plus or minus 1 upon 3x minus y, 1 upon x minus y. This can change. Okay, but these two type are the types of reducible to linear equation. Let's look how to solve the reducible to linear equation. Let's take a textual example. Suppose 2x minus 3y is equal to 15 and 8x 8 by x plus 5 by y is equal to 77. Okay, this is a type of reducible to linear equation. Okay, this is 2 by x minus 3 by y is equal to 15, 8 by x plus 5 by y is equal to 77. The first step is write the equation 2 by x minus 3 by y is equal to 15. Okay, now we have to reduce it to the linear equation. How can we reduce it? Simply substitute 1 by x is equal to a or m, whatever you want. I will take it as a, and 1 by y is equal to b. Okay, now the equation will be, let us write in standard form, means more simplified form, 2 into 1 by x minus 3 into 1 by y is equal to 15. Okay, now let us substitute 1 by x as a, so it would be 2a minus 3 into b is equal to 15. This is our new equation, so name it as equation 1. Now let's write the other equation in this format. The other equation is 8 by x plus 5 by y is equal to 77. Similarly, it can be written as 8 by x means 8 into 1 by x plus 5 by y means 5 into 1 by y is equal to 77. Substitute 1 by x and 1 by y. 8a plus 5 into b is equal to 77. This is another equation, so name it as equation 2. We have two new equations and both these equations are in the general format. Now solving these two equations is similar as we solved before. So now let's look at how to solve. Here once again we have to bring either the coefficient of a as same or b as same. Okay, so let's bring the coefficient of b as same this time. Okay, I write the equation on another page. 2a minus 3b is equal to 15. This was my equation 1. 8a plus 5b is equal to 77. Okay, so if we are going to bring the coefficient of b as same, we have to multiply equation 1 with 5 and equation 2 with 3. So multiplying equation 1 with 5 and equation 2 with 3, we get these steps don't carry marks, but it's better to write these steps. Okay, so multiply equation 1 with 5 into, I'll put it in square bracket, 2a minus 3b is equal to 15. So 5 will get multiplied on both the sides. 5 into 2, 10a, plus minus minus, 5 3s are 15b is equal to 5 15s are 75. This is our new equation, so name it as equation 3. Now we have to multiply equation 2 with 3. So 3 into 8a plus 5b is equal to 77. Okay, 3 8s are 24a plus 5 3s are 15b, 77 3s are 231. So this is our new equation, equation 4. Now we have the coefficients of 3 and equation 4 as same. Okay, so now based on the sign we will perform the operation. So here signs are different, minus and plus, so we would be performing addition operation. So adding equation 3 and 4, we get, write the equations, 10a minus 15b is equal to 75, and the other equation was 24a plus 15b is equal to 231. The operation was addition, so there won't be any sign change. (24 plus 10) 34a, plus minus will get cancelled. 231 plus 75 will give us 306. We don't need the value of 34a, we need the value of a, so taking 34 on that hand side, it will get divided. Simplify this by the table of 2. So a is equal to 2 17s are 2 1s are 2, 1 carried, 1 0 10, 2 5s are 10, 3 carried, 2 3s are. So we have 153 divided by 17. 17 ones are 17 nines are. So we got our value of a as a is equal to 9. Now we just substitute to get the value of b. Substituting a is equal to 9 in equation, we can substitute in 3 or 4. I will substitute in 3. In equation 3 we get, I will write the equation again, 10a minus 15b is equal to 75. Substitute the value of a. Our a is 9, 15 into b 75, 10 nines are 90, minus 15b is equal to 75, minus 15b is equal to 75, plus 90, we go on that side and it will become 9 minus 90, minus 15b is equal to plus into minus, minus 90 minus 75, 15, sign of the bigger number, that is subtraction. Okay, here the minus minus will get cancelled, so we are left with 15b is equal to 15. Again we don't need 15b, we just need b, so 15 will go on that side, 15 by 15, which is 15 ones are. Okay, so b is equal to 1. Now we have got the value of a and b, but our aim is to find the value of x and y. So how can we find it? We just have to simply resubstitute the value. What do I mean by resubstitute? Remember, what did we took a and b as? We took a and b as 1 by x and 1 by y. So just substitute the value back. How can we write it? We will write resubstituting the value of a and b. So we had a as 1 by x and b as 1 by y, but we found the value of a. Our a turned out to be 9 and b turned out to be 1. So put it, a is 9 and b is 1. Don't need the value of 1 by x or 1 by y, we need x and y. So we will reciprocate it. What do I mean reciprocate? Numerator will go in denominator and denominator will go in numerator. So reciprocating on this side, 9 by 1 will become 1 by 9, 1 by x will become x by 1, 1 by 1 will become 1, 1 by y will become y by 1. So we have got our answer as x is equal to 1 by 9 and y is equal to 1. This is our final answer. So just write x comma y is equal to 1 by 9 comma 1 is the solution of given simultaneous equation. Okay, so this was a simple type. Now let's look at the other type of the sum. Okay, suppose I take another example of 1 upon 3x plus y plus 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to 3 by 4. This is one equation, and the second equation is 1 upon 2 into 3x plus y minus 1 upon 2 into 3x minus y is equal to minus 1 by 8. Okay, so this is my another equation. So now let us write both the equation one at a time. 1 upon 3x plus y plus 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to 3 by 4. This is my one equation, and 1 upon 2 into 3x plus y minus 1 upon 2 into 3x minus y is equal to minus 1 by 8. This is my another equation. Okay, this type looks lengthy or big because there are x, y with multiples, but this is also easy type. So just find out what are the common terms. Here in both this equation you can see 1 upon 3x plus y and 1 upon 3x minus y are common. So like before we substituted 1 by x and 1 by y, here we will substitute 1 upon 3x plus y and 1 upon 3x minus y. So let 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to a, you can take any variable, and 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to b. Now write the equations again. 1 upon 3x plus y is a plus 1 upon 3x minus y is b is equal to 3 by 4. This is my new equation. You can also simplify it by bringing the 4 on the left hand side. Let's bring it. Okay, so the 4 will get here, so it will be 4 into a plus b is equal to 3. 4 into a will become 4a plus 4 into b will become 4b. Name this equation as equation 3. Now for the equation 4, we have to substitute here. This is 1 upon 2 into 3x plus y. This can be written as 1 by 2 into 1 upon 3x plus y minus again 1 by 2 into 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to minus 1 by 8. Now substitute the value. 1 by 2 into a minus 1 by 2 into b is equal to minus 1 by 8. 1 into a means a by 2 minus 1 into b means b by 2 is equal to minus 1 by 8. Again let's take the 8. First we will do this, both have common base, so it can be written as a minus b upon 2 is equal to minus 1 by 8. Now 2 is getting divided, so it will be multiplied when it goes on the other hand. So a minus b is equal to minus 1 by 8 into 2. A minus b is equal to 2 and 8 can cancel out. 2 ones are 2 fours are, so we are left with minus 1 by 4. Again taking 4 on that side, 4 into a minus b is equal to minus 1. 4 into a will become 4a minus 4 into b will become 4b is equal to minus 1. This is a new equation, so name it as equation 4. Now we have our equation 3 and equation 4. I will write both equation again. 4a plus 4b is equal to 3. This was my equation 3, and 4a minus 4b is equal to minus 1. This was my equation 4. Now the next step is bringing the coefficient of a or b as same. Here you can see the coefficient of a as well as b are same. Now we have to decide the operation, whether we will do addition or subtraction. Here we can do addition as well as subtraction, but I will prefer addition as it is quite simple and easier. Okay, so adding equation 3 and 4 we get. So write the equation 4a plus 3b is equal to 3 and 4a minus 4b is equal to minus 1. Operation is addition, so there won't be any sign change. This will remain as plus, this will remain as minus, this will also remain as minus. 4 plus 4 will become 8, plus minus will get cancelled, plus minus minus, 3 minus 1 will become 2. We don't need 8a, we just need a, so 8 is getting multiplied, it will get divided on this side. Now let's simplify. 2 ones are 2 fours are, we got the value of a as 1 by 4. Now we need the value of b, so just substitute the value of a in any equation from 3 or 4. So suppose substituting a is equal to 1 by 4 in equation 4, we get. Okay, so our equation 4 was 4a minus 4b is equal to minus 1. So I write the equation again, 4a minus 4b is equal to minus 1. Now substitute the value of a. A was 1 by 4 minus 4b is equal to minus 1. 4 into 1 will become 4 upon 4 minus 4b is equal to minus 1. 4 ones are 4 ones are. Okay, so we are left with 1 minus 4b is equal to minus 1. This plus 1 will go on the other hand and will become minus 1. So minus 1 minus 1 minus 4b minus minus, operation of addition, 1 plus 1 2, and sign of subtraction, we have minus on both sides, so it will be cancelled. We don't need 4b, we just need b, so it will be 2 upon 4. We can simplify this. B is equal to 2 ones are 2 twos are 1 by 2. Now we have the value of a and b. To get the value of x and y, we just have to resubstitute. So let's resubstitute. I will write a and b again. My a was 1 by 4 and b was 1 by 2. So resubstituting a and b, we get. Okay, so what was our a and b? We substituted a as 1 upon 3x plus y and b as 1 upon 3x minus y. Okay, so write 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to a and 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to b. You can solve this one at a time, or like me you can solve them simultaneously. Okay, so now substitute the value of a. 1 upon 3x plus y, what was our a? A was 1 by 4, and another equation 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to 1 by 2. Again we don't need 1 upon, we need them in the numerator, so reciprocate them. It will become 3x plus y is equal to 1 by 4 will become 4 by 1. Again here 3x minus y, 1 by 2 will become 2 by 1. So we have two new equations again. Okay, this is the difference between the other types and this type. This is only lengthy, okay, but this is also easier to solve. Now what we should do, we have to just solve it one more time. I will write this equation again. These two are new equations, so I will name them again. 3x plus y is equal to 4. Suppose this is equation 5, and 3x minus y is equal to 2. Suppose this is equation 6. Okay, now we can do addition or subtraction. We have coefficient of x as well as y as same in both the equation, so I will again do addition. Adding equation 5 and 6, we get. I advise you all to always perform addition operation, as it won't create any problem with the sign change. Okay, so 3x plus y is equal to 4 and 3x minus y is equal to 2. Operation is addition, so there won't be any sign change. Plus will remain plus, subtraction will remain subtraction, and this is also plus, so this will remain plus. Plus 3 6x, plus minus will get cancelled. 4 plus 2 6. We don't need 6x, we need x. So 6 will get divided. 6 ones are. So we got our value of x as 1. Now to get y, substitute it. Substituting x is equal to 1 in equation 5 or 6. I will substitute in 5. We get, write the equation, 3x plus y is equal to 4. Substitute the value of x, 3 into 1 plus y is equal to 4. 3 ones are 3 plus y is equal to 4. Plus 3 will become minus 3 when it goes on the other hand side. 4 minus 3, 1. So we got the value of x and y. Okay, so simply write as x comma y is equal to 1 comma 1 is the solution of the given simultaneous equation. So that's all for today. In the next video, we would be looking at applications of simultaneous equation, meaning word problems related to these sums. Okay, don't need to panic at the name of word problems. Those are word problems, but they are very easy to solve. You just have to understand how to form the equation. Okay, so we'll look at them in the next video. So if you found this video useful, do like, share and subscribe for more such videos. Thank you.